In this video, we will use conditional formatting to automatically detect any duplicates in a list. This is useful for managing unique keys or ID numbers in a spreadsheet, as well as cleaning up data. To check for duplicates in a column, go to Format, Conditional Formatting. The conditional formatting parameters box will appear on the right-hand side. Select the range that you want the conditional formatting to apply to. You can either manually type in the range or click the box on the right-hand side to select the range you want. Now that we have our range selected, we will choose the parameters for the conditional formatting. Click the drop-down list and scroll to the bottom to find the custom formula option. This will create a box for you to type your formula. Unfortunately, the Google Sheets error checking and formula assistance are not present in this box, so you need to know what you will type beforehand and be cautious of mistakes. We are going to use the COUNTIF formula to count the number of instances of each cell in the entire column. The formula is equals COUNTIF open bracket. The first parameter should be the entire list, starting from the first cell you want to check. The whole range should be $signed. The second parameter should be the first cell in your selected range. Closed bracket. This should not be $signed. The closed bracket should be followed by a larger than sign and a 1. The formula will now iterate through the selected range, changing only the second parameter. You can see that the formula has already been applied to the list and duplicates are being highlighted. Finally, you can customize the formatting that will appear for all duplicates. When finished, click Done. You can now see the conditional formatting rules on the right-hand side. Please like and subscribe. We will be posting more content soon. Check out our other videos for useful tips and tricks.